Hi, I'm Jonathan. I'm a professional trumpeter, flugelhornist, composer, arranger, producer, educator, and doctor of musical arts. I reside in New York City, where I am originally from. I have been performing professionally since I was about 12 years old. I have performed in as many types of performance environments as you could think of: outdoor festivals, intimate jazz clubs, performance spaces, symphony halls. I've performed across the globe. I've performed, done national tours in America. I have about 35 different types of awards, ranging from trumpet competitions to composition competitions, grants, commissions, all different types of awards from different organizations. And I've been teaching basically since 2011 after I got my master's degree. I have a lot of 5-star reviews. I think I have nearly 40 5-star reviews on my Yelp page. I've taught group trumpet classes, different types of ensemble classes. I've taught in public schools, private schools, charter schools, universities. And I look forward to sharing my knowledge and what I know about these instruments and about music with you. So please send me a message and let's get started.